Breaking news for August 2025. Major updates are underway affecting all Department for Work and Pensions. DWP benefits, pension payments, and cost of living support, bringing crucial changes for millions of households facing rising financial pressures. As inflation continues to bite and household budgets tighten, every bit of financial assistance counts more than ever. This month marks the implementation of adjusted payment dates for benefits and pensions, alongside expanded schemes designed to ease the burden of soaring living costs. Recent data from the Office for National Statistics reveals a sharp rise in the prices of everyday essentials, with food and non-alcoholic drink costs climbing by 4.4% in the year leading up to May 2025. This marks the highest increase seen in over a year. Items like ice cream, coffee, cheese, and meat have become noticeably more expensive, while chocolate prices skyrocketed by nearly 18% annually, setting a record in the confectionery sector. Even pantry staples such as sugar and jam have seen significant hikes, making it tougher for families to keep food on the table. Beyond groceries, inflation is impacting household goods too, with furniture and homeware, including appliances like fridge freezers and vacuum cleaners, hitting their highest price levels since late 2023. Chancellor Rachel Reeves has acknowledged the challenges, emphasizing that while the government has taken steps to stabilize public finances and bring inflation under control, there is still work to be done. Despite inflation returning to pre-pandemic levels, many families face stagnant wages and soaring bills, especially for energy, driving millions into debt just to cover essentials. Food insecurity remains alarmingly high, with over 7 million adults, nearly 14% of households, struggling to secure enough food as of January 2025. Energy arrears have doubled over 5 years, reaching £3.9 billion at the end of 2024, highlighting the depth of the crisis. Meanwhile, research by Policy in Practice reveals that £23 billion worth of benefits go unclaimed annually. This means that many people miss out on vital support simply because they don't know what they're entitled to. Tools like benefits calculators can help individuals discover what assistance they might claim, especially now with the coming changes. In August, benefit payments will generally continue as usual, with a slight adjustment due to the summer bank holiday on Monday 25 August. Payments expected on this day, including universal credit and state pension, will be made earlier on Friday 22 August instead. State pension payments follow a schedule based on the last 2 digits of your national insurance number, spread across weekdays to ensure smooth distribution. One of the most significant updates this year is the expansion of the Warm Home Discount Scheme. This winter, an extra 2.7 million households will receive £150 off their energy bills, bringing the total number benefiting to over 6 million. This includes 900,000 additional families with children and targets 1.8 million households living in fuel poverty. This widened eligibility means everyone on means-tested benefits will qualify, removing previous restrictions and delivering vital relief to millions. Benefit rates have also been increased to help keep pace with inflation. In April, all benefits rose by 1.7%, aligning with the inflation figure from September 2024. This applies to working-age benefits such as universal credit, personal independence payment, PIP disability living allowance, DLA attendance allowance, careers allowance, and employment support allowance. The state pension saw a larger increase of 4.1%, a £472 annual rise matching wage growth for 2024. Looking ahead, from April 2026, Universal Credit Standard Allowance will get a further £7 weekly rise above inflation, boosting it from £91 to £98. However, the additional health-related elements of universal credit will see freezes or cuts, meaning it's wise for eligible claimants to apply sooner rather than later. Winter fuel payments, a lifeline for many pensioners, are being restored following a government U-turn. Approximately 9 million pensioners across England and Wales will receive up to £300 this winter, automatically provided to those earning under £35,000 annually. This reversal, worth £1.25 billion, comes after public concern over last winter's eligibility restrictions. The government insists this move won't require extra borrowing, though tax implications may follow for higher earners who initially receive the payment. For those needing immediate financial assistance, budgeting loans continue to offer help with essential purchases, from household appliances to moving costs, clothing, and even maternity expenses. Eligible claimants, those who have been receiving certain benefits for 6 months, can borrow between £348 and £812, depending on their circumstances. New caps on loan repayments from benefits aim to prevent undue hardship. The Household Support Fund, managed locally, remains a crucial source of aid for vulnerable families struggling with food and energy costs. It offers vouchers and other non-cash assistance, helping to bridge the gap until March 2026, when it transitions into the new Crisis and Resilience Fund with £1 billion government backing. Parents will also welcome ongoing expansions to free childcare. Currently, working families can access 30 hours free childcare for 3- and 4-year-olds and 15 hours for 2-year-olds. From September 2025, this entitlement will broaden to cover all children under 5, starting from 9 months old. Families need to apply and confirm eligibility each term, with additional tax-free childcare schemes offering further savings. In summary, August 2025 brings a mix of adjusted payment schedules and significant enhancements to support programs, aiming to relieve the growing cost of living pressures on households across the UK. From increased energy bill discounts to benefit uplifts and extended childcare access, these changes reflect efforts to stabilise finances and provide targeted relief where it's most needed. If you think you or your family could benefit, don't hesitate to explore your options and claim what you're entitled to. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for the latest updates on benefits, pensions, and cost of living support. Stay informed and take advantage of all the help available.